What is happening, YouTube? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that it in wow. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale and I'm back out here on Lake Oconee. Lately I've been fishing. I just been coming in here fishing the marina, fishing this Lick Creek. With gas prices the way they are right now, high as giraffes, hoo-ha. I ain't trying to burn a bunch of gas running all of it down this lake. So I'm just coming out here into this creek channel, trying to catch some of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. And I've been doing pretty decent. I caught one fish already today, and I'm about to drop on this one's head. Let's see if I can pull this fish out of here. If I get the right mind to start doing it, I'll up there. She turned. I'm gonna oh, there we go. She done messed up. I'm gonna try and get me some live scope footage too. So, oh, that's another good fish too. So folks, we'll wait on that car to pass me by. That's a decent fish. She's gonna be about 11 and a half. 11 and a half, 12 inches. So as always, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and start by telling you all thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who subscribes to the channel. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is, folks. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you, yeah, you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. She's going down to the bottom. Oh, she ain't kind of hanging right there. She running away from me. Heard her. They ain't paying me no mind. We ain't picking up on it, folks. So we can touch the video. Growing. God, Chris used to dag on that. All live scope got away. She's still growing. She goes. She didn't waste no time to come and get it. Come on here. Come on here, girl. Come on here. She came a little bit of ways to get that fish, that bait. She ain't the biggest, but she won. She gonna make the cut. She gonna turn the bottom of the bucket. Make sure about that might be a big Shirley, but we gonna throw in the bucket. There we go. A good crappie. This is a good, decent one. She ain't no slab. She ain't no Shirley. She's gonna curl the bottom of the bucket. Might be right at 11 inches. Just a hair bit short of 11, but she gonna make it. Here we go. She came and got it the second time. It's a decent fish. She ain't the biggest, but she gonna make it. They all sitting in there about 11 inches. I'll take 11-inch fish every day. Every day, all day. I'll take an 11-inch fish. I'm looking for bigger, but they gonna make it. What Big Play Ray told me yesterday, don't be crappie shaming. So I ain't gonna crappie shame. Got him. God dog it. This was at 11:10 a while ago, but it just stopped recording. God dog it. Alright folks, that's going to wrap up this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. It's a little bit tougher day today than I thought it was going to be. The wind picked up and it was just tough to stay on the fish and fishing crosswinds and all that. So I did manage to catch a few of these big Shirleys. Again, like I said, it was tough. I saw on somebody's video some time ago, they were talking about the truth about crappie fishing videos. Don't let us fool you, us crappie fishermen, the people who are on YouTube. Don't let us fool you into thinking that we catch a fish every time we throw our our lines out. Those are just the things that get edited out. If we put together videos that shows us catching 30 fish or 15 fish or whatever it might be, that video might be 3-4 hours long before we catch that many fish. But it's edited, at least for me, I edit my videos down to about 15-20 minutes at the max. But don't let me fool you into thinking I'm catching fish on every cast, because I'm not, but I'm catching them. So thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I appreciate everybody who hits that like button, everybody who subscribes to the channel, and everybody who leaves those comments to my subscribers. You already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you come across this channel, or somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go right ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with the bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.